if your goal is to go oilless due to health reasons, personal reason, or you just want to cut down on calories, then this okra pepper soup with some seafood is the best for you. So without much delay, let me take you through the process of how I made this beautiful soup. It is not only delicious, it is so appetizing, nourishing, and it's easy to make, something you can make in less than 15 minutes. So let's get cooking. For my oilless okra, I'll need the following ingredients: some fresh ice fish, some periwinkle, fresh prawns. I also need some dry peppers, okra, and this fresh sea crabs, pepper soup spice, seasoning cube, and native salt. So the next thing I have to do is to wash all my crabs. I have to remove all those tiny legs thoroughly. Set this aside, and the next thing we have to do now is to wash the prawns. Okay, just trim the leg, trim the arms, trim everything trimmable so that everything can be so neat. So wash everything and keep aside. The next thing to do now is wash this ice fish. After washing with cold water, then pour some hot water into this and wash thoroughly. Wash your periwinkle too and set it aside. Okay, now that everything is ready, let's go into the cooking properly. So into a pot, pour some water, then add your grounded pepper. Okay, after that, go in with your pepper soup spice. There are different types of pepper soup spice. I have unblended one or two, but I just decided to go for this sachet one today. So I used one sachet of that, and when it has gotten to a boil, next thing I have to do now is to add the crabs. So just add it, let it get to a boil. Then the next thing to do now is to add the ice fish, which has been washed and dressed. Okay, immediately the fish is added, don't stir too much because it's easily gets broken. Add your seasoning cube. I'm adding the seasoning cube so that it can help to bring out the taste of the fish. I used to add some salt so that it can go well with the fish. Remember, we are still using native salt, so let your salt be minimal. When this is boiling, like it has gotten to this point, the next thing you want to do now is to add the prawns. Okay, so add your prawns at this time and let everything just be doing their own thing. No? Dissolve the native salt in water and pour into the soup. Potash can also be used in place of native salt. So stir gently, don't be too hard on the soup so that your fish will not be scattered everywhere. So while the food is still boiling, the next thing to do now is to prepare okra. Cut your okra into thin sizes and blend if you want to. So then I'm adding the periwinkle now. So I'm adding my blended okra equally. Okay, so when the okra is added, the soup should not stay more than 5 minutes on fire. Like root to every vegetable, when you overcook your vegetable, it changes color, loses all the vital nutrients, especially the vitamins. So allow this okra to boil in the soup for about 5 minutes, and then our food is ready. So when the food is about 5 minutes ready, you can start preparing the swallow of your choice. On this day, I used white gari, eba. So especially cold eba from yesterday. This soup, imado. Hello swallow ranging from pounded yam, moustache, whatever. So if you watch my video to this time, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful video as I drop new video every week. So be among the first to get notified. Thank you, and until next weekend I come your way again. From me to you, I say but bye.